Welcome to Wizard.com. I'm maths teacher Aditi. We have this question here. The point which divides the line segment joining the points 7, minus 6 and 3, 4 in ratio 1 is to 2 internally lies in the and the quadrants names are given. So let's see. Let's try to visualize the situation. So this 7, minus 6, this is 3, 4 and this point here is dividing this line in 1 and is to 2 ratio. So let's first use ratio formula and find out what are the coordinates of this point. So we know by ratio formula xy will be equal to m1x2 plus m2x1 divided by m1 plus m2 and m1y2 plus m2y1 divided by m1 plus m2. So m1 is to m2 is given as 1 is to 2. So we'll simply put the values here. x2 is 3 and m1 is 1 plus m2 is 2 and x1 is 7 divided by 1 plus 2 comma m1 is 1, y2 is 4, m2 is 2, y1 is minus 6 divided by 1 plus 2. So that gives us x1 x comma y as 3 into 3 plus 2 into 7, so that is 14 plus 3, which is 17 by 3 comma 6 2s are 12, minus 12 plus 4 is minus 8 by 3 is minus 8 by 3. So we have positive x and negative y. That means that this is, since positive x coordinate and negative y coordinate, this point lies in fourth quadrant. So let's see what are the options. Yes, answer is option D, fourth quadrant.